I pray, oh Lord, to face another day. Oh, Lord, give me strength to face another day. Carry on life's road, carry on my load. Give me strength, oh Jah, to carry on. Oh my Lord, oh Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the end. Please tell me when I begin. All help for ages past and all help for years to come, without whom I could not be. Then you're trying to leave you out of your life, but I wouldn't be so unwise. And so I promise to serve thee, oh my Lord, and I beg thee some mercy. Lord, give me strength to face another day, journey along life's road, carry my heavy load. Give me strength, oh Jah, to carry on. Oh my Lord, life has become a burden, living in this evil system. Oh Jah, please strengthen me. I cannot make it alone, I need you as my own. Oh Jah, I call on thee. Some are trying to leave you out of your life, but I won't